For decades, Leonard Automatics has been the undisputed leader in the garment finishing industry, and today, we've grown to be much more. From garment finishing to conveyor systems, executive pressing, cart sanitizing, and flatwork feeding, folding, and stacking, it's time to take a new look at Leonard Automatics. The Leonard Automatics LF series of high-speed folder cross-folders offer incredible versatility for any commercial, hospitality, or healthcare linen supplier. Our LF folder can handle large pieces with up to 3 primary and 3 cross-folds. The LFC offers the same large piece capability with up to 2 primary folds for small pieces with draping accumulation. The LF series folders incorporate our dynamic product length compensation, which automatically adjusts to the product size, and they can accommodate up to 3 stackers for post-folding automatic sortation. The Leonard Automatics new Hybrid series is a first of its kind, featuring a high-speed, large-capacity, small-piece draping accumulator like that of the Stack & Store, and a 2 primary fold large-piece folder. This game changer is the only equipment on the market today with this combination of small and large piece processing. The Hybrid also incorporates our dynamic product length compensation and offers incredible versatility. It'll even do table rounds. The Leonard Automatics LVF small and large piece vacuum feeder dramatically reduces labor in your facility with better ergonomics for increased throughput. It features laser lane guides for easier loading and greater consistency, automatic ironer speed synchronization, and variable speed vacuum control. The LVF vacuum feeder is excellent for those hard-to-load items like table rounds. For years, the industry has come to rely on the Leonard Automatics Stack & Store multi-lane small-piece draping stacker. The Stack & Store dramatically decreases labor and increases throughput, stacking napkins, pillow slips, aprons, and much more. The Stack & Store can be used inline with an ironer or as a standalone unit. Fast, accurate, and reliable, if you process small pieces, the Stack & Store from Leonard is a must. Leonard Automatics offers stainless steel garment finishing systems for any style garment, process, or production need, as well as lab coat and executive shirt pressing. With tunnel finishing systems manufactured for all industries, all garments, and all production rates, we have a solution that will integrate into your process. All stainless steel designs, patented U-turn modular expansion, S-turn steam injection systems, auto filtration, and all of the essential accessories such as hanger stands, slant tables, counting and production management systems, and more to support your total garment finishing needs. The Transporter by Leonard was the first stainless steel chain in the industry, providing the greater pull strength, low stretch, and corrosion resistance needed to transport garments through a tunnel finisher. Our straight pendant and helping hand pendant chains are direct replacement for others in the field today that are not manufactured from stainless steel. Leonard also provides drive units, conveyor track and curves, and all of the accessories necessary to engineer a system tailored to your needs and to keep it running for years. Leonard Automatics also offers outstanding cart washing and sanitizing solutions. Our LCW and LCS UV feature a self-contained compact design and 304 stainless steel construction. They can provide single or double cart production, and we also offer chemistry-based and UV waterless solutions. For decades, Leonard Automatics has provided solutions with legendary quality, backed by the highest standards in American manufacturing and incredible support. Leonard Automatics, the undisputed leader in the garment finishing business.